Wow, what a beautiful sleek bob makeover. She looks amazing. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we will be checking out some more hair transformations. Here we see a beautiful red bob style. This, of course, is one of the hottest hair colors that we are seeing this fall-winter season, and this red color is just pure perfection. Next up, we have another color change as well as a cut. She ends up getting this cute bob style with the peekaboo blue bangs. Followed by someone who had a few grays mixed in their hair. And she decided to go all white. Beautiful baby bangs to frame out the face. Oh, I just love this color. Such a fun hair change. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have someone who has a red colored bob. Looks like she decided to spice things up by going shorter. Oh, so she ends up getting a pixie bob haircut. Beautiful bangs added in the front. I really love this color. It's like a really nice copper tone. Very nice. Next up, we have someone with long mid-back length hair. She does have some fringe bangs going there in the front. And she also decided to spice things up with some red. Wow, absolutely breathtaking makeover. I love this red color. So pretty. And then we see someone with long hair who has some grown out color. And she got this beautiful purple dip dyed in makeover. Very nice. Then we move on to this pixie undercut. Oh, looks like she dyed the hair more of like an ash blonde tone. Oh, look at the design going there on the side. Very nice. Love this undercut style. I'd say the color is a mix between platinum and ash blonde. Very pretty. Next up, we have someone with long waist length hair. Stylist cuts the hair off, cuts in, mixes ends and bangs. And he ends up adding some gorgeous layers to her hair. Instant volume. Very nice. Next up, we see someone with hair just past their shoulders. She ends up getting a lighter colored bob. I really like the hair color. It's like a really soft ginger tone. Very nice. And here we have someone getting some color. Oh, okay, so she's also going red. Oh, wow, like a fuchsia. Oh, that is gorgeous. Beautiful tousled waves. Very nice. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.